Can artificial intelligence really predict the origin and cause of fires more accurately than human investigators? This question might have seemed far-fetched a decade ago, but not anymore. With the rapid rise of AI, we are witnessing its application in various fields, from healthcare to finance, and now even in fire investigations. We've entered an era where AI is not just a buzzword, but a tool with the potential to revolutionize how we determine the origin and cause of fires. Unlike traditional methods, AI provides outcomes that are not only accurate but also fast and free from human bias. This technology is capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, recognizing patterns that might be overlooked by the human eye, and identifying potential ignition sources, all in a fraction of the time it would take a human investigator. Now, imagine this scenario. A devastating fire has just occurred. Let's explore how AI steps in. In 2022, the fire department of New York City began using an artificial intelligence system to revolutionize their fire investigations. This was not just a technological upgrade, it was a game changer, setting a new paradigm in the world of fire investigations. Picture this, a massive city like New York, with its countless buildings and infrastructures, and the unfortunate but inevitable fires that break out. Each fire is unique, with a different origin, different cause, and different pattern. Analyzing these fires, determining their origins and causes, was a daunting task. But then, the game changed. The fire department of New York City incorporated a cutting-edge AI system into their investigations. This AI was no ordinary machine. It was designed to analyze patterns in vast data sets of previous fires. By doing so, it could predict the probable origin and cause of new fires. Now, you might be wondering, how does this work? Well, it's all about patterns and correlations. The AI system sifts through mountains of